Hey beauties, welcome and welcome back. Today I am about to head out. I have a few errands to do on the road, and I have my laser appointment, so I'm doing laser for my face, so the jawline and my chin area. I started last year, but I have not been consistent, so I have my next session today. I'm about to head out now, but I'm looking so ashy. I am so ashy because normally when you're going to do the laser session, I can't have anything on my face, and I just showered, didn't put any moisturizer or anything on my face, so I'm so ashy. But that's that. I have my moisturizer and my sunscreen, so once I'm done, I'm gonna put my moisturizer and sunscreen on. Also, Valentine's Day is coming up, and I wanted to do something special for myself, so I'll be stopping at a few places like haberdashery. I want to definitely go to Bashko, because I'm not one of those girly who shops at Fontana, because to be honest, the same thing you go Fontana go buy, honestly, be honest to yourself, the same thing you go Fontana go buy for $10,000, you can get it to buy in a local haberdashery, in a little Chinese haberdashery, for like $4,000 or $3,000. So I'm not gonna spend my money to go in Fontana today. I'm gonna check Bashko and also the local haberdashery for some decor stuff that I want. I am trying to decorate my bedroom for Valentine's Day, so I'm gonna check for some little decor, balloons and stuff, see how that turns out. And yeah, that's just about it for me on the road today. I'm gonna head out now because I'm late. My appointment is at 2:30. It's 10 minutes after 2, and it's gonna take me about 35 minutes to reach to where I'm going. So I need to get going, even though whether I'm late or I'm early, they accommodate me same way, because I advise them that I'm coming, so they know that they should be expecting me. I'm gonna pop my little music on. I've been so obsessed with Chris Brown lately, especially Residuals and Numbers. That's the name of the song, right? See, Angel Numbers is the name of the song. Once I open YouTube, it's the first thing that comes up, because I've been listening to this religiously. I lost my way somewhere in another galaxy. Baby, all I really need is one day. Baby, can you make a wish for me? On me. When it's 11, I need to get a different tripod, because this one is my boyfriend's and I just borrowed it, to be honest, because I've not got mine as yet. I know I should have bought it a long time ago, but you know when you're last minute, because see Trump and China in a bagga now, and I can't get for order. I've ordered some stuff on Shein, and they haven't even shipped yet, and that was last week. Normally when I order stuff on Shein, they ship it within a couple days, like 2 to 3 days the most, and that was from last week, and the packages have not been shipped yet. Can you believe it? Just because of the excitement with Trump are going with. This is on my mind, this is on my heart. You will build it up, this too let it wash away. On the jet, I've been so zoned out, trying to figure out what's next. So scared to fail, I'm calculating my every step. So I hate you, but I love you, can't blame you. I'ma just vibe out to some music until I reach, and then I'll show you guys what I get up to. So I just got done with my session, and I'm about to leave out now. About to head out here. Yeah, but another people they walk through. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna get to do anything else. I just come out of the shop, stop at the ATM, and I'm got back in my car. It's now 6 o'clock, so I'm not gonna get to, I won't get to do the little shopping for the little stuff that I need to do the decorations. As it stands right now, I'm just put some moisturizer on my skin, on my face, because it dry bad. Put a little bit, and then I'm not gonna put on any sunscreen because the sun gone down and the sunscreen are gonna make my face shine. So I'm just gonna put on the moisturizer, stop over Wendy's, grab something to eat, and on my merry way home. You see how the day done fast? I thought I would have had time, but traffic, bro, Mobile traffic is nothing nice. Mobile evening traffic, the worst, the absolute worst, bro. If you have any unwanted hairs, facial hair on their arm, hair on their legs or wherever, and you need to get them removed, the laser session. Why me I sound so I can't talk again? The laser place that I use is very effective. The sessions are very effective. At first I didn't think it would work because like my first session, after I did it, a couple days after the hair them start grow back, but they said that the follicles have to grow out and then the things start work. So I gave it a chance and that's what happened. I'm in Wendy's drive-thru.
The next day,
I'm in the store looking at Valentine's decor, Valentine's stuff. Hold on, let me put it over right here. Found this little love pillow. Not nothing like this. Like that one. I'm working, so I have to have the laptop, but I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna show you some other stuff. So this is their Valentine's collection. And then I found some roses around the other side. Excuse me. I find some roses right here, so look. See the red rose in here. I'm gonna take up some, and then I have some baskets, but I don't want no pre-made baskets. See the rose there. And candles. I'm gonna go buy some candles as well. I'm gonna buy some candles too. So that's. Got the laptop in it too. So they have these ones for $1,000 with 12, and then these for $3,000 with 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 for is 24. So this has 24 for 3,000. 12 for 1,000. But I can buy 2 of these and get 24 for 2,000. See that? And it's a variety. I'm just gonna pick up some other stuff and then I'll come back to you guys once I'm done. I might show you when I go home the things that I bought. But for now, may work and so. I'm gonna just walk around, pick up some stuff, and then I'll show you what I get. I'm back home. It's hours later and I'm gonna show you the stuff that I picked up in the store. Well, I went to 2 stores actually, and I still haven't got everything, but I'm just showing you what I got for now. I got some balloons. They're supposed to be regular. They're regular balloons, but they're supposed to be heart shaped. So I got 2 packs of these regular latex balloons. I also got these foil balloons as well. They're supposed to be heart shaped again, and I got 6 of these. Got tape, I got 2 boxes of candles. These are the candles I was showing you in the store. Ooh, I got roses. This is a dozen roses. Comes with the stem and everything. They're artificial roses though. And then finally I got this set of pillows. $13.50 I believe was for it for 2, and it comes with the pillowcase. I'm gonna change the covers as well. I think I'm gonna put on white covers on them, but you'll see what I do with them once I get the decorations going. And that's it for now. I didn't get anything else. I wanted the little rose petals, but I didn't get those. I saw some, could have bought some, but they were pale red, so they were more on the orange side instead of red. I didn't buy those, so I'm gonna try somewhere else in the week and see if I can get some nice red petals, just like how the roses are red. I want them to be red, you know? Yeah, red, or at least this kind of red. But the ones that I saw today were more on the orange side, not red, so I didn't take those. I'll see you again when I pick up the camera again. Toodles.